The City Transformer CT2 is one of the smartest urban EVs you'll see in 2026. Its standout feature is a transformable chassis that can shrink to just about 1 meter wide for tight spaces, then expand for better stability at speed. With a top speed of around 90 kilometers per hour and a range between 120 to 180 kilometers, it's built for everyday city driving. Priced at roughly $16,000, it offers a premium yet highly practical solution for urban commuters. The VIGOZ takes a unique approach to city mobility. This three-wheeled EV blends pedal power with electric drive, creating a hybrid between a bicycle and a microcar. With a 22 kilowatt-hour battery, up to 160 kilometers of range, and a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour, it's surprisingly capable. Instead of traditional ownership, it may launch with a subscription model, perfect for flexible urban lifestyles. The Acticycle is a fun and practical mix of an EV and a pedal-assisted quadricycle. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame, it offers seating for two and a range of 60 to 80 kilometers per battery. Depending on the version, it delivers speeds between 25 and 45 kilometers per hour, starting at around €11,900. It's a great option for eco-friendly commuting with a recreational twist. The Yulv Mini EV focuses on efficiency and sustainability. It seats up to 4 people and offers around 150 kilometers of range, with a solar roof adding up to 20 kilometers per day. With extremely low running costs and an expected price of about $15,000, it's ideal for budget-conscious, eco-minded drivers. The Bobby is designed for short urban trips, typically between 1 to 10 kilometers. With a 250W motor and a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, it's perfect for bike lanes and city errands. Its enclosed cabin, four-wheel stability, and seating for two make it feel like a mini car, and it's mainly offered through rental and shared mobility programs. The Midipile stands out as a compact EV built not just for commuting, but also for cargo and delivery. With a 45 kilometers per hour top speed, 80 to 100 kilometers range, and up to 300 kilograms payload capacity, it's ideal for small businesses. Prices range from €15,500 to €16,300 depending on the configuration. The Vimo blends the efficiency of a bicycle with the comfort of a small vehicle. It's a three-wheeled, partially enclosed EV that you pedal with electric assistance. With a 100 kilometers range and 25 kilometers per hour assist speed, it's perfect for urban commuting. Starting at around €12,000, it's a smart low-impact transport solution. The XCV Yoyo Pro is a compact, two-seat EV designed for dense city streets. It offers around 150 kilometers of range and a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Despite its size, it includes features like a touchscreen, air conditioning, and keyless entry, all starting between $13,000 and $15,000. The Wings Robin is a budget-friendly micro EV with a simple, practical design. It offers about 90 kilometers of range and a top speed of around 60 kilometers per hour. With prices starting as low as $2,400, it's one of the most affordable electric mobility options available today. The Wuling HONGGUANG Mini EV is one of the most popular mini EVs in the world. It seats 4 people and offers up to 300 kilometers of range depending on the variant. With prices between $5,600 and $7,650, it delivers incredible value for a practical city car. The BYD Seagull, also referred to as RAO in some markets, is a modern compact EV built for urban driving. It features a 20 kilowatt-hour battery, around 180 kilometers range, and fast charging support. Expected pricing is around $16,000 to $17,000, making it a strong competitor in its segment. The Citron Ami is a tiny, ultra-affordable electric vehicle perfect for short trips. With a 75 kilometers range and a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, it's designed purely for city use. Prices start under €10,000, making it one of the cheapest EVs available. The Microlino 2.0 combines retro styling with modern EV technology. Its compact 2-seat design and bubble car look make it stand out instantly. With up to 230 kilometers range and a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, it's both fun and practical. Pricing starts around $16,000. The Squad Solar EV is a minimalist, solar-assisted city vehicle. Its roof panels can add 20 to 30 kilometers of range per day. With a total range of about 100 kilometers and prices starting near €6,250, it's one of the most affordable and eco-friendly options on this list. The Leapmotor T03 is a compact electric hatchback with impressive features for its size. It offers up to 300 kilometers of range and a top speed between 100 and 130 kilometers per hour. With prices starting around £14,000, it's a practical and well-rounded urban EV.